Do you want to know how to apply lipstick? Then keep on watching. To make your application easier and make sure that it's gonna stay longer and looks better on your lips, it's good to scrub your lips before actually applying the makeup. And then when you also start applying makeup, put some moisturizer, lip balm, or anything that's gonna moisturize your lips. And as you're doing your foundation and the rest of your makeup, you will make sure that your lips will be softer and prepared for the lipstick, and for the lipstick to last longer and look better on your lips. If I'm applying lipstick of a darker color, I like to apply it with a brush. I like this detail shader brush from Zoeva in number 237. I'm gonna go with the red lipstick from Avon. If you still have a lot of moisturizer on your lips before you're applying your lipstick, just take a tissue or a piece of paper, even on the back of your hand, and kiss it to get rid of the excess of the moisturizer, because your lips shouldn't be too slidey when applying your lipstick. I start first in the middle of my lips, and then I work the product a bit outwards. Then I'm gonna kiss my lips and transfer the lipstick upwards. And then I'm gonna go with the lipstick and start here on top of my lip, basically creating like a little X on my upper lip. Then taking some of the lipstick on the brush and starting from the inner corner, going upwards. Going with the brush helps you to be more precise, and also going from down upwards helps you to create a better shape and have more control over it. And then you go upwards until you meet the other part that is already there on your lips. And then the same on the other side. To give your lips a fuller effect, you could go a little bit over the natural line of your lips to make them look optically bigger, but don't go too crazy with this. I'm taking some more of the lipstick on the brush, and I'm going to deal with the lower lip. And I'm going underneath. And moving from the middle upwards, first my left part, moving upwards to the inner corner of my lips. Slowly, doing it slowly, one step by step, to not go too crazy and too overboard. And then doing the same on the other side. And slowly moving upwards towards the inner corner of my lip. Then filling in the middle with what's left on the brush. Then I realized that the right side of my upper lip is a little smaller than the left one. I went one more time with my brush, and again from the inner corner of my lips going upwards. I also went into the inner corners, but one side was a little bit too much. And then using what's left over on my sponge, cover up the redness from the lipstick on my face. Then at the end, I'm gonna go over my lips directly from the lipstick to give more intensity to the lips. And that's it. That's how I do my lips, and that's how it's easiest for me. You could go with the lip pencil. I find it the easiest to go with the brush, just to do it slowly and carefully, to not go too much overboard. Like I said, if you make a mistake, you could go with the sponge or with the brush or with something that you applied your foundation with, and just go over that part to cover up any mistakes. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite lipsticks, and until next time.